like to board this tram, please do so quickly but safely. Again, this is my final call for boarding. Alright folks, this time we're going to call for no further boarding. Please not cross for that yellow line if you have not done so already. Everyone's on board. Sit back, relax, hear a quick safety message, and then we'll be on our way.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Alrighty, everyone sit back and relax. Drive, we're clear and ready for dispatch. Alright, everyone, I'm happy to drive myself. We hope you've had a wonderful day. Discovery here at Epcot. We'll be taking a couple stops, but that first one will be for Journey in the Maze. The next one will be for Discover and Create. The last one for Explore and Wonder. Drive your clear to the turn. If you have any problems with your vehicle, such as you can't find it, you can't start it, or you can't just line up one of our white security vehicles behind the white poles in the yellow line. They'll try to help you out in the best way that they can. Also, the exit of the parking lot, it's all the same right here on the line, and they'll lead you to our one and only exit. And drive your clear to the turn. But first, folks, we are approaching that first stop, and that's for Journey and the Maze. Journey is rows 1 through 10 on the driver's left-hand side, and Maze is rows 26 through 38 on the driver's right-hand side. Please do not attempt to exit the tram until it comes to a full, complete stop. Alright, folks, there is your stop for Journey and the Maze. J on the driver's left, A on the driver's right. If you choose to stay on board, we'll be going to Discover, Create, then Explore and Wonder. Any pilots for Journey and the Maze? Alright, everyone sit back and relax. Driver clear, ready for dispatch. Alright, folks, we're approaching that next stop. That's for Discover and Create. Discover is rows 11 through 25 on the driver's left-hand side. And Create is rows 39 through 54 on the driver's right-hand side. Once again, please do not exit the tram until it comes to a full